Ladies and gentlemen, leadership is not about titles or authority, it's about trust and influence. The greatest leaders in history didn't lead because of their positions, they led because people believed in them. Today, I want to talk about two essential pillars of leadership: trust and influence. These qualities don't just define a leader, they empower a leader to inspire, guide, and transform those they lead. The power of trust in leadership. Trust is the foundation of all great relationships, including leadership. Without trust, people hesitate, doubt, and disengage. With trust, they believe, commit, and achieve. So, what does trust look like in leadership? Consistency. People trust leaders who are consistent. Your words and actions must align. If you say you are going to do something, follow through. Integrity. Integrity is about doing what's right, even when no one is watching. It's about being honest and transparent. People will follow a leader they know is authentic and ethical. Empathy. Trust is built when people feel understood and valued. Great leaders listen, not just to respond, but to truly understand. The power of influence in leadership. Influence is what sets leaders apart from managers. Managers may direct people, but leaders inspire them. Influence isn't about forcing people to act, it's about making them want to act. How do leaders cultivate influence? Lead by example. People don't follow words, they follow actions. If you want your team to work hard, be disciplined, or innovate, you must model those behaviors. Create a shared vision. Influential leaders don't just tell people what to do, they show them why it matters. When people see the bigger picture, they feel inspired to contribute. Empower others. True influence comes from lifting others up, not holding them down. Empower your team by giving them opportunities to grow, contribute, and lead. The connection between trust and influence. Here's the key: trust and influence are inseparable. Without trust, your influence is hollow. Without influence, your trust has no action. Together, they create a powerful combination that allows leaders to inspire and transform. How to build trust and influence? Becoming a leader who embodies trust and influence takes intentional effort. Here are steps to guide you. Communicate clearly and transparently. People trust leaders who are honest and open. Share your vision, intentions, and even your challenges. Transparency breeds trust. Show vulnerability. Don't be afraid to admit when you don't have all the answers. Vulnerability shows that you are human and relatable, which builds trust and connection. Prioritize relationships. Leadership is about people, not processes. Invest time in understanding your team, their strengths, and their goals. Strong relationships are the foundation of influence. Be fair and consistent. People respect leaders who treat everyone with fairness and consistency. Avoid favoritism and show equal respect to all. Recognize and appreciate contributions. Trust and influence grow when people feel seen and valued. Acknowledge the efforts of your team and celebrate their successes. Examples of leaders who exemplify trust and influence. Nelson Mandela. Mandela's leadership was built on trust, forgiveness, and a vision for unity. His influence wasn't forced, it was earned through his integrity and resilience. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah's ability to connect with people and inspire them comes from her authenticity and unwavering trustworthiness. Her influence spans generations. Jacinda Ardern, the former Prime Minister of New Zealand, exemplified trust through her empathy, calm leadership during crisis, and ability to connect with people at a human level. Challenges in building trust and influence. Building trust and influence takes time, and it can be challenging. You may face setbacks, misunderstandings, or resistance. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and strengthen your leadership. When trust is broken, rebuild it. When influence is questioned, reinforce it with actions. The impact of trust and influence. When you build trust and influence as a leader, people don't just follow you, they believe in you. Teams don't just work for you, they work with you. Goals aren't just achieved, they are surpassed. You don't just lead, you inspire transformation. As I close, I want to leave you with this thought. Leadership isn't about being in charge, it's about taking charge of those in your charge. Build trust by being authentic, consistent, and empathetic. Cultivate influence by leading with vision, purpose, and example. Because when you lead with trust and influence, you don't just guide people, you inspire them to reach their full potential. And that is the true mark of a leader. Thank you.